Today's video explains the pairing operation of the new version of the wireless touch switch. First, find the remote control host corresponding to the wireless switch. If the remote control panel is already paired, first unpair. The way to remove is: find the button of the corresponding remote control host. Press the button 9 times. Until the blue light flashes. Now pairing is cleared. If you want to pair, find the button that you want to match on the remote control host. Press the button twice. After the blue light is on, press the button of the wireless touch switch once. Now the pairing is successful.